Hello and welcome. This explained that in this how to add a clickable link to YouTube description. So open up your browser and then check on or search up Creator Studio for YouTube. This will redirect you to the YouTube Studio, so just click on it. Make sure that you're logged into the correct channel that you have if you have multiple accounts. So after that, you just be able to go to your content, go to any uploaded video that you want to add a clickable link to. So for example, we're going to YouTube again to search up any link that we want to include into our YouTube description. It can be either any other link that you want as long as it is safe and not and within the guidelines of YouTube. So for example, this specific video, just right click on it, copy the link address, and paste it in there. Make sure that there is an HTTPS at the beginning, because if there's nothing, it would not redirect or not be a hyperlink when you add it onto the actual description itself in the YouTube domain. So for example, if we have the HTTPS one, there should be a clickable link there. And when you click on it, it will redirect you to that specific link. And that should be it.